What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix screenshots not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So to fix this issue, first of all try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone, and restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like screenshots not working issue. So after restarting, if you're still facing the issue, then check for software updates. So to check, open settings, scroll down and click on software updates, and then click on download and install. Now it will automatically check for updates. So if you have any update pending, then update your mobile software to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software to latest version, all the software glitches will be fixed. But after updating your mobile software, if you are still facing the issue, then try turning on palm swipe to capture. So for that, open settings again, scroll down and click on advanced features. Now click on motions and gestures. Now here you will see a palm swipe to capture button. So if this button is disabled, then tap on this button again to enable it, and after enabling, you can take screenshots by swiping your palm. So that's how you can fix the screenshots not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.